So today we go for the write and notes on data reduction and its attributes. What is mean by data reduction? Data reduction is a technique can be applied to obtain the reduced representation of the data set that is much smaller in value and closely maintain the integrity of the original data. That is, mining on the reduced data set should be more effective to produce the same result. Why the data reduction is used? A database or the data warehousing may store the terabytes of data. Complex data analysis may take a very long time to run on the compute dataset. For example, to know one student result, it needs to extract from the entire data. So here the data reduction means we are reducing the data from a large set of data, so that what happens, you can easily access and you can store the information very less, and we can fast accessing it required. So here we are having the some of the data reduction techniques, reduction strategies: dimensionality reduction, numerality reduction, in the numerality reduction, parametric methods, non-parametric methods, and next one is data compression. The second one we will use the wavelength transformation and the principal component analysis. So attribute subselection. In the attribute subselections, we are having stepwise forward selection, stepwise backward elimination, combination of forward selection and backward elimination, and the next one is the decision tree induction. In the next point, we regressive and log linear models, linear regressive, multiple regressive, non-linear models. So histogram, cluster, sampling, and data cube aggregation. These are the 9 points you can use to reduce the data reduction. So go for the attribute subselection. Data sets for analysis may containing 100 of attributes, many of which may be irrelevant to the mining task of redundant. For example, if the task is classify customers based on whether or not they are likely to be purchase a popular new CD at all electronics of sale, attributes such as the customer's telephone numbers are likely to be irrelevant, unlike the attribute services attributes such as an age or a music table. This can be difficult and the time consumption task, especially when the data behavior is not well known. Therefore, it is causing a confusion for the mining algorithm. This can be resulted in discovered pattern for poor quality and redundant attributes can slow down the mining process. So here the other attributes subsets of selection is stepwise forward selection. This is the process starts with an empty set of attributes. The best of the original attributes is determined and added to the set. The second one is the stepwise backward elimination. Here the backward elimination means full set of attributes are there. There we have removing the worst attributes in the remaining set. Next one is a combination of forward selection and backward elimination. In this one we have to combine the both procedure for the first one, forward selection and the backward selection, to remove the worst from the remaining attributes. Decision tree induction. In the decision tree algorithm, where original intended for classification. So finally we have to see the what is the data redundancy means. It reduces the volume of the data to get the faster result when we go for the such other result purpose. So these are the 7 points are very important for data reduction strategies. Okay.